So today we're talking about the Yolobox Extreme, the all-in-one 4K streaming, podcast recording, events. It does everything. I mean, this thing is dope. But when I got it, I didn't have any idea on how to actually access my files. So let me show you so you don't have to struggle the way I did. All right, so here we go, y'all. First, we got to back out of here. And we're going to go into this mode. Now, on the top right, you click on that little man up there. And we're here. Now, you got a lot of stuff here we can deal with, but right now we're only dealing with right there, storage management. Click on there, and you see internal storage and this other choices. You would assume that you click on internal storage and that's it, but all that does is let you delete some files. So that's not it. So we get out of there. All right. So what you want to do is go to where Google Files app. Click there and then hit open. And now you have access to all of your files. Okay. You can do them, you can just go to your videos and just pick on whatever you want to export. So here's all your videos. If you long press on one, you can choose which videos you want to choose, get, and which ones you don't want. And when you're ready, on the top right, click on those three dots and you can choose select all, move to, copy to. You see all the things there, okay? If you do move to, it's going to totally move everything and delete it from the internal hard drive. If you do copy to, it's going to do exactly what it says. It's going to copy to an external hard drive. Now, before you even do that, you need to hook up either an SD card, so you can do it to an SD card. I do it to a SSD card right here. I use this one right here. All right. And what you want to do, you see this is the power cord, and beside it, there's a USB-C, and that's where you connect it to. So let's do that. All right, so we got our USB connected to our SSD card. All right, and now we can continue. So we choose what we want. You can choose what you want, whatever that may be, all of your files. It's going to go through all of them. You can choose them. All right, so let's say we want those two files. You click up here. Copy to. I usually do copy to till I'm for sure I'm done with that. I don't need it anymore. And then you see right here, you see internal storage, portable SSD. I'm gonna click on the portable SSD, and then you can do a new folder, call it what you want to call it, whatever. Hit there, copy folder, and as you see, it's copying the files over to your SSD file. Now I'm gonna cancel this because I don't need it. But the way I usually do it is I like everything to just be in its own. So if you record something, what you want to do really is you don't have to, but this is how I do it. If I record like an event or podcast or whatever, anything you record is going to put it in a folder for you. So you want to find that down here, go to the internal storage, and then right there it says video record. Click on video record, and it's going to put it in a nice folder. And let's say we recorded that today. So there you go. Go on the top right, click on there. First, you have to select them. So let's say, obviously, we want them all. So select all. Or if not, it's up to you. Then you click on there again. And then I'm going to copy to, again, like always, portable SSD. Add new folder. I'm going to just call it whatever. Boom. Copy the folder. And now it's copying that over. And you could do it either way. But I tend to like to just go to the folder and export everything to my folder. And there you go. Back right out of there. Keep going. Get out of there. And let's go back in. And there you go. That's all you have to do. Okay. It's simple. It's easy. But I couldn't get it because nobody told me how to do it. And I couldn't find no information. Maybe there's more information now out there. But all you got to do then is disconnect your USB drive. All right. And then connect your SSD drive to your computer, export your files and import them into your editing program. And there you go. You're ready to edit. That's about it. That's all you got to do. If you don't know much about this amazing piece of equipment called the Yolobox Extreme, this bad boy right here, like I said, it has a 200 gig internal hard drive. You can have 8 HDMIs in, true 4K 60p. I go on YouTube and stream fully from here. No OBS, no StreamYard, nothing. Fully all from here. Wi-Fi. I don't even have it connected to Ethernet. I got it connected to my Wi-Fi, and it's fine. You can bring in guests, handle your messages from your social media, put music in here. You can have NDIs if you want to, and it comes with the NDI license. When you purchase this, it comes with an NDI license also. This is not just another piece of equipment. This thing can really make a difference for your business because you can offer live streaming, podcasting, everything right from here. I just wanted to show you, I mean, you could do your lower thirds, as you see. You can do all kinds of lower thirds. You can customize everything you want. Like right here, this has something, but it's not there now because I'm not using it. But if I wanted to, I can customize this and go into edit and bring another file in here. Let's say we want to bring this over here in. You see what I'm saying? And I want this. We can just customize it. Either way it goes, you know what I mean? And there you go. Let's say we want that for some reason. Now we have it, you know what I mean? So it's dope. So there you go, y'all. I just wanted to introduce this to you and also tell you how to access your files. If you're interested in the Yolobox Extreme, make sure to click on the link below. It helps the channel out a little bit with no extra cost to you. I appreciate your time. Thank you for checking me out. And hey, that's all I got for you today. All right, y'all. All right, be blessed. Subscribe, hit the bell on the side so you get notified on time. And like I always say, it is what it is. And check this one out. I think you're going to like the next video. Let's go.